Oh. When I was growing up, I always thought that roosters crowing meant the beginning of a new morning. Life was great. Now that I'm older, I wonder, why is it on the lunchtime menu? You look like you need a 9-inch juicy chook meat roll jammed down your gob. Yeah, choke on it. So this is the Red Rooster's Rooster Roll. And for $6.50, it ain't half bad diddly ad. Looks okay, a little bit spongy on the meat, and it looks like it's just come out of the microwave, but at least it kills the salmonella. I'm Chris from Modemunch, and welcome to another fast food fight. Today we'll be rolling the Red Rooster and getting all the stuff from Woolies. Why? Because he had barbecue chooks on sale and they were closing up today, so I thought I'd make a video out of it. Get your chicken. Slice half the breast meat up. Cut it into thin 2cm strips. Add some dark meat if you wish. Butter, basil, dill, oregano. French salad dressing. Mayonnaise. Give you a big squirt. Mix it up. Chop your bread roll in half and add your butter mayo herby thingy. Then add your chicken breast. Then you want to microwave it for about a minute. While you're here, might as well click on the subscribe button. Go on, ring the bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Now whack that cock meat sandwich in your mouth. Go on, guess how much? Pretty good, eh? Ding-a-ling-a-ling. If you have any complaints, please call our complaints department on 1-800-COCK-SANDWICH. That's 1-800-COCK-SANDWICH. You will speak to Neil and Bob, and they will ask you if you prefer light or dark meat. Maybe you like both. There's stuffing and some mayo dripping out. This is a tomato.